Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Ryan.
I'm Ashley.
And the car almost wrecked.
That happens a lot.
Oh, man. Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Ryan.
And I'm Ashley.
And thank you for clicking on our first ever video of our landscape supply yard here, Grassroots Yard Supply in Graniteville, South Carolina. We want to just take a minute to show you around the place and then show you guys what this channel will be all about. So stay tuned, check it out. Okay, y'all, we're gonna start the tour here at the entrance. So behind us, you can see that's our main gate coming into the yard. Got some of our palletized rock down there, parking lot behind us. And we're in, as I said before, Graniteville, South Carolina, close to Augusta, Georgia. And we've been open for what?
About, I don't know, 3 months since March 29th of this year.
Yeah, and it's July now, so it is hot as all get out, so we're probably gonna make this tour a little shorter than usual. But I guess what we should tell you, why we decided to build this place. So we run a landfill as well here in town. We try to recycle as much material as possible, and in doing so, we started creating mulch, which you can see this way. We started making mulch and we're selling it in bulk only, and we wanted to be able to offer it to the general public. So we needed a landscape supply yard. That, in conjunction with our sand mines, we have sand and soil products, our compost that we make, a lot of stuff. We were making these really cool landscape items, but only selling in bulk sales. So we built this place and to have a platform to offer it to retail customers. And I've loved plants ever since I was little, so we incorporated that into it, and we've built what I feel is a pretty awesome little landscape supply yard. We've got a greenhouse slat full of plants. Ashley has killed it inside the store, which can't wait to show you in a minute, not only because it's awesome, but because it's air conditioning, and it's like almost 100 degrees already this morning. So anyway, hope you guys will hit the like and subscribe down there. We're gonna have some really cool videos to come, and let's continue the tour. So now we're gonna take you guys into the greenhouse, which is more my territory because I just love it. It's tropical in here. We've got a couple of birds in here and just tons and tons of tropicals and house plants, and you name it, we've got it in here. Some bananas, even got orchids, really pretty fuchsia. But it feels much better in here. We've installed that cooling pad right there, and it helps keep the temperature down. So it's actually much better in here than it is outside. Tons of hanging basket. Ashley is a staghorn fern aficionado, and so she's got a good many of those. And you just mounted some to our front door. I did.
Mounted it to the front door. I've got several inside that I've mounted, and hopefully I'll do a video about how to mount them and what you need, and
oh yeah, that'd be a good one.
How to make them grow.
We've got some tractor seat plants. Got an actual tractor seat here. These are the variegated tractor seat plants. Pretty rare, beautiful little plant. Loves shade. Hardy to zone 7, I believe it is. Oh, and let me show you guys this. So we have the Carolina Reapers called up and talked to the Pucker Butt Seed Company, They're the inventors of the Carolina Reaper, which is currently the hottest pepper in the world. It's in the Guinness Book of World Records. So we've got some beauties here. These things got huge. I've never seen them get this big. They are monsters. I've grown them in the past, but these got, for whatever reason, just crazy big. Already got fruit on them right there. So as soon as those bad boys turn red, that's gonna be it's gonna be a lot of heat.
Yeah, they just look hot.
They don't play around. Ashley and I have eaten a little bit of them before, and I don't want to do that.
Yeah, I like
ever.
spicy food, but that's beyond.
Yeah, beyond spicy. Yeah, for sure.
Beyond healthy.
Yeah. There's a pencil cactus, some mandevilla, just all kinds of cool summertime stuff for the yard and for inside as well. A lot of house plants. We really kind of want to focus too on doing a lot of the Proven Winners lines because they just grow exceptional plants. You know, they're a little bit, what is it? Oh yeah.
That's a pretty color pink.
That's pretty. So the Proven Winners line is really superior, you know, to a lot of the other plants. And we grow a good many of those here because we've had such good success with them. They just perform well in our area. And plus, down here, we're in zone 8B. It gets really hot. So you've got to have cultivars that can, you know, stand up to the outdoors. A lot of perennials we have out here. Some herbs, more perennial flowers, veggies, you name it, and hopefully we got it. And so behind us you can see the nursery, and the koi pond's down in the center. That's where we just came from. So Dave takes care of that place down there for us. Tons of trees and shrubs. So can't wait to show you guys a few of our favorites and just tell you more about them. All right, we got to take a second to show you guys our steps. So this obviously goes up to the store. What we did here, as we were pouring the concrete, we let it harden up. Then we came in and we etched it. And then Ashley and I took hours and hours and hours and painted the leaves and roots and all that good stuff.
What was supposed to be a one-day project turned into a whole week.
Yeah.
Up until dark.
Yeah. But turned out really good.
It is. Everybody compliments the stairs and wants to know who painted it, and
wants us to come to their house and do it,
yeah,
and we're not,
guys.
so don't ask.
Nope.
I love Japanese maples, so we've got over 100 different varieties of Japanese maples here. We'll do a couple shows on that. But let's head to the inside of the store and we show you what Ashley's done with it. So here we are on the porch.
I like the porch. This is my favorite little place to hang out. I like watering my flowers here, and we've got some cool swings that a girl that works here, her name's Megan, her granddad makes them all. And we've got some Tennessee rocking chairs, and got a little bit of everything out here, but it's my shady, breezy spot that I like to hang out on.
It is much better
if I'm
than
not
out
doing
there.
anything else.
Yeah.
So.
And the pots that Ashley finds are just fantastic. I'll spin around and show you guys that real quick as the motorcycle goes by. But awesome pottery. She finds this stuff all over, brings it in, and it's just pretty stuff. We took a bunch of it to our house not too long ago. So, you go inside now?
Yeah, let's do it.
We'll follow you.
Okay.
So here's the inside of the store. Ashley has decorated it, made it look awesome in here. You've got all kinds of stuff like what?
Air plants and staghorn, some house plants. I've got hats and let's see, all kinds of smell good stuff. I'm a smell good person, so I like candles and lotions and all that sort of thing.
That's why you always smell good.
Yep, for the most part.
I need to get some of that from you.
Yes, you do. And I've got wreaths and gifts and little kid yard games.
You got all kind of stuff.
We also have any kind of door decorations and
Doormats.
and lanterns for outside. Lots and lots of bird things. We have lots of bird houses, and bird seed, and hummingbird feeders.
Basically got something for everybody. That's what we wanted, even for, you know, kids and just guys, ladies.
Yeah,
There's something for everybody.
Furniture.
And we are now the aquascapes dealer in the area, so we have all the pond pumps and the nutrients and bacteria.
And
these really cool
mini indoor ponds.
cool little mini indoor ponds. This is the one I did, and Ashley says hers looks better than mine.
But then a customer bought my driftwood, and I gotta refigure it up. But
Excuses.
yeah. It was better than ours.
It probably was. I'm sure it was. No, inside the store looks just amazing. So anyway, like I said, we're just gonna do anything that you've seen on this video so far. It could be we'll highlight a plant, or we'll put together one of these ponds, or Ashley will do something cool with some ferns or air plants. But anyway, we appreciate you guys for checking it out. If you'll hit that like and subscribe down there, that'll give us all the more reason to make videos. Comment, tell us what you want to see, tell us what you don't like. You know, we're making this for you guys, so you got to tell us what you want to see and what you don't. So
Yep, we want your comments and opinions.
all right,
So let us know.
thanks guys, see ya.
Bye.